everyone. Today we'll be discussing the various three satellites which are available in the concept of networks. Okay, so let's check out with the satellites which are there. There are three types. One is Geo, MEO, and LEO. Today we'll be discussing only the Geo and MEO, and LEO I will be learning in the next session. Okay, so this Geo, what is Geo? It's nothing but geostationary Earth orbit. Okay, this is some of the satellite which has the orbit about 35,786 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Okay, it is above Earth's surface at the distance of 35,786, and mainly the objects which are there, geostationary objects, those are said to be revolving over the Earth. About three mainly orbits are said to be revolving over the Earth, and they are said to be relatively getting communicated to the Earth through those orbits only, the three orbits. Okay, minimum the three orbits which are being presented in geostationary are these are the three orbits. You all know, you directional, then you have bipolar, geostationary orbits. Okay, these three are said to be present here at different directions. So when these three are present at different directions, let's check the advantages of these three. Okay, the main three advantages of this concept is, like, the geostationary objects, they maximum cover the surface of the earth. A fourth of the distance is being covered by the geostationary satellite, and it has about 24 hours view over that particular area wherever it is said to be present. That particular data is said to be moving in that particular area, then 24 hours it will be aspect of checking in that particular area. Okay, and three the main factors of this satellite is that it can be viewing the multi points at a time. It can, like, access multi points at a time, multi systems, multi places it can handle at a time. Okay, this geostationary. But the disadvantage of geostationary is that it has made the signals which are said to be very weak, and the delay of the signal is very, like, every point you can see multiple delays are said to be existing in the geostationary. That is one of the disadvantages. It makes the signal weak and it will be delayed to reach to that particular point. And it is said to be, like, when it is said to be placed about the center of the equator, it has the difficulty to, get the information related to the polar regions which are said to be present at different areas. Okay, so that is the disadvantage. One is weak signal and delay. Another one is it is not able to, like, rectify the regions which are near the polar when only static area is being covered. For example, the equator area, when it is covered, other areas are not said to be covered. That is the disadvantage in geo. So in order to make it, covered, the middle earth orbit came into effect. This middle earth orbit has a distance about 5,000 kilometers to 15,000 kilometers over the earth's surface it can cover. Okay, and it has the aspect it can cover for longer period of time that particular area, nearly 2 to 8 hours it can cover that particular area. It is said to be visible in that particular area, and it is said to be larger satellites are said to be present than that of LEO, but it covers maximum areas than that of the LEO. Okay. The advantages of MEO is nothing but this MEO satellite, it has longer duration of visibility and it can cover a much area. You can say a wider area. Footprint is nothing but area over the earth it can cover than that of the LEO. Okay, and it has, compared to that of the geo, it has less time delay, and even it has a stronger signal compared to that of the geo. The disadvantage is that though it is advantageous over the geo, it has a disadvantage over leo, that here also a little bit time delay happens and a little bit weaker signals are being produced than that of the leo satellite. Okay, but okay, it has advantages over geo, but it has this factor that little bit time delay is there. Example, the GPS. It has a little bit time delay when it is said to be accepting the signals. Okay, so the GPS, what is GPS? GPS is nothing but it was said to be introduced by the US Department. Okay, there are 24 satellites here in the GPS, which covers about 6 orbits, and it can cover the land, sea, and air navigation. Remember, when a question is asked about GPS, this you have to write. It has been constructed by the US. It has 24 satellites in the 6 orbits, and it can cover about land, sea, and air navigation. Maximum it can cover, and each orbit is designed in such a way that it is said to be managing the various points at different areas. Okay, it is visible, where that area can be made visible for a longer time. Okay, this GPS satellites, what does it consist? It has different visible satellites are said to be present. 12 satellites. In that, 24 visible areas are being considered here in the GPS satellite. Okay, it can cover maximum even 24 satellites also, 12 to 24. It has a combination of trilateral communication. Trilateral is nothing but from one point I can cover 3 different areas. Okay, from one point it can cover 3 different areas. So in the previous diagram, when you consider here, when I am said to be present here, I can cover this and even this area. When I am here, I will be covering this and this. Like that, one point it can cover the 3 distances at a time. That is the concept of your trilateration. Okay, how the GPS works, mainly GPS has a principle to find the location. Okay, mainly it finds the location. 3 satellites, it can be finding out the distance of that particular whichever device it is there, and of each satellite it can even rectify at what area which satellite is it to be covering which area on the earth. That can be got through the help of the GPS. This can calculate how the receiver is said to be receiving the information, plus even he is said to be getting the information at different levels from different satellites which are being present in the air, in the above the earth. Okay, it can even cover many signals. Those signals may be having a concept of different complex patterns which are there. Unique pattern is being prepared whenever it is said to be sending the signals, but even it measures the delay which is happening over the signal. GPS is nothing but it not only finds out the distance of the satellite, it even finds out the delay between the signals whenever it is said to be crossing from one end to another. That it will be calculated. Okay, so the Leo concept I will be doing it today. So today in this concept we have learnt of Geo and Mio concept. What is Geo? Geo covers only 3 areas, but the Mio is said to be introducing the concept of GPS, where it can cover about nearly 24 satellites it can have, and it can cover multiple areas, but it is said to be weaker than that of Leo. So Leo has much satellites which can cover different areas at different signals. Okay, so this is the concept of your Geo and Mio. Okay, thank you.